Howdy, I'm Erin.
I'm Elim.
We're at Sensiba Wildlife Reserve, and we are going to take a walk, see what we find.
Walkies. Oh, right off the bat, some mushrooms.
Oh yeah, there you go. That was quick.
These look full.
I didn't think no. These are a bleat of some sort. You can tell because they have this kind of fibrous gill.
Interesting.
It's pretty typical color for ones around here as well. This thick haze, you see. Yeah, it's the, there's good amount of morning dew burning off, but I've also been experiencing a ton of smoke from Canadian wildfires. Yesterday evening, had a visibility of about a mile. I'll have to keep this person off of film. There we go. Here is native milkweed. Very important plant. Native caterpillars. The pods are forming. What did you say they use the pods for?
You can bread them and fry them like little mozzarella sticks. Very cheesy and delicious.
Okay. Lots of grass spider webs around here. They're not funnel trap type though, let's see.
Good morning.
Good morning. What they say, don't photo into the sun. Working right into the sun we would be if we took the other path too, though.
Yeah.
Or other end of the path. Yeah, I think this is the one that the berm follows all the way around the road. So we'll probably have some traffic noise, but on their website it said that they allow fishing, but very clearly on that sign it's closed for taking wildlife. Deer and stuff.
Yeah.
Imagining.
It's a trapping and other recreation.
Right.
Yeah. You can probably look it up online.
Well, like you said, their site says no.
Oh.
Or their site says yes.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, sorry. Cattail. Another very useful plant. In every season there is something that you can eat. There's some birdies. I'm not really good with identifying ducks.
Neither am I.
I know the black ones are mud duck. That I know. And they're really plentiful because they're not tasty. Tastes like mud apparently.
Huh. Now I do know that rendered duck fat is pretty shelf stable and an excellent additive to your cooking repertoire.
No. Good trees. There we go. And better. the video that we did yesterday, I thought the image was going to be a lot bouncier than it was. It really wasn't. The image stabilization worked pretty well on this. You know, I also said that I was taking smooth video of me when I was doing all that stuff out in Illinois, but I was also wearing a lot of layers.
Yeah.
Had a lot of padding. You can grab the phone.
Of course.
You know what that alarm is?
8 a.m.
8 o'clock, wake up for your hike. It's 2. You're wrong.
But did you set it for 8:02?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I often don't leave things, like, I don't leave them like 8:45. I would do 8:47 or 8:43 or whatever. You know what I mean?
Gotcha, yeah.
I don't know why. I just do.
Neurodivergence.
Oh. Yeah, there's that. What did it do, puppy? Hello.
Is the dog friendly?
Oh, super friendly.
Off leash, I would imagine.
Yeah, no, he's super friendly.
Yeah,
Come on,
cute,
buddy.
Cute.
We'll get ahead of you and get out of your way.
Oh yeah.
Enjoy, y'all. There you go.
Yeah.
Wants to move around.
Too cute. Yeah. He started moving around my hand and kind of poking me in the eye, but not directly in the eye. Morning glories. Not sure how to tell which ones are invasive, but some are very invasive. And their seeds fire. They pop, shoot off.
Explosive dehiscence.
Thank you.
Yeah, Zay Frank has a wonderful little video about how plants spread seeds.
Mm-hmm.
I believe.
No hunting from the dike. Oh no. Can't stand on you and hunt anymore.
Oh, no!
Fuck.
I believe we're seeing some cottonwood pollen.
These aster creating a lot of it. Asterididæs, they're hard to ID like grasses. There's a lot of them. Yeah, so you're going to fluff like dandelion.
Oh, okay. Who is that big showy white cluster
That
there?
looks like some type of hogweed or snake fruit. Let's see, zoom in here.
And this appears to be in the amaranth family.
That is, yeah, this is definitely one of the amaranths.
Pigweed, perhaps.
all usable.
Chenopodium, I think is the genus.
Yeah, they're still not hard enough that you can crush for flour. Some of them are starting to fall, but pretty much all the amaranth are usable. I don't think there's any that are poisonous. I could be really wrong about that. Oh, what did we do? Roll off on it.
And I think that's Joe Pyeweed.
Oh, the milkweed look-alike?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the leaf structure is very different.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's a mimic, without question. Oh no, because the milkweed are opposing leaves, correct?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Big, flat, broad.
What is this, a pancake breakfast? What the hell? Oh, that's the boat launch for the river.
Ah.
We had to go launch. You can get 2 or 3 in at a time. Now, if this turns into that weedy area that I was kind of skeptical about, I'll go through it today. The one that,
Yeah, that you were like, that looks like Sugar City.
Yeah, I'm not sure which ones. These look like the... Yeah, I'm not sure which ones these are. Because it's got morning glory all wrapped around it.
Mm-hmm.
I can't really tell what the leaves are.
Ooh, these pretty purple creatures. Reminds me of a cornflower.
Chicory, I think.
Could be, the leaves do look similar.
We'll take a look. Look them up at a small native thistle. Oh dear, I have this alpaca. Monarch. Monarch on the Joe Pyeweed.
Mm-hmm. Flew off as soon as you were done. It was posing.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You grab my
Show you
water
with my
for me.
good side diving.
Right. I want to identify that moth that was on the windshield this morning, too.
Yeah.
Ready?
The patterns reminded me a little bit of cone snails.
Yeah. I can see that. That's a ton. There was tons of bumblebees out here last time. This actually works better if you're not as close and you zoom in. I do not know why. If you get close, too close with that, you can set it to macro, but would you flop the top and get the back in the moon.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Another monarch. I don't want to disturb it too much here. Let it do its thing. Alright. Glad to see so many.
Mm-hmm. Me too. Some of my favorites.
I think a lot of people are getting, you know, a lot of people are going bees because bees are in decline. And from pesticides, you guys, you do not use pesticides, please. Also, if you find a beehive, contact the beekeeper. It's actually a felony to destroy a beehive. So, don't do it. It's all bad. Beekeepers will come out to get the hive, and they'll do it like if it's in the wall of your house. They'll tear the part of the, tear the wall of your house off. Most of them are also capable of rebuilding your house. Once they do that.
And if you don't know any beekeepers, call your local agricultural extension.
Yeah. The agricultural extensions usually have all the numbers. Many pesticide companies know beekeeping clubs or personal ones, that somebody knows, they know the beekeeper. Yeah, I want all your hives. Monarchs. Boy, the monarchs are just as plentiful as the birds here. I saw a bunch of goldfinch. There's more goldfinch out here than I've ever seen. It's all four in one, like one pack, if you will, flock. Kind of small for a flock.
Club.
There you go.
I just saw a little red, I think it was a damsel flock. Not very big at all.
Oh, the smaller ones. Yeah.
Yeah.
The bumblebee, yeah, and this is native thistle that they're all over.
This looks like galls.
Yes, they are. Yes, they're galls.
And we're seeing some beetles here that I've never seen before. Look at those guys.
Oh, yeah.
That is completely new to me.
Okay. It's like one of the lady beetles. Huh. They're hungry.
Wood sorrel right here. Starting to form pods.
Yeah. Wood sorrel can be found pretty much worldwide. Has little yellow flowers on it. Looks like 3-leaf clover. Tastes like lemon zest.
It is delicious. Spider.
I don't know if that is going to be big enough to pick up. Any great detail that we should try. Does not look like it. Almost looks like a little baby garden spider.
Yeah, I was thinking it had orb weaver style patterns.
amaranths. Boy, they are loaded, huh?
Oh yeah, I'm keeping an eye on this.
Like hanging amaranth just because it's it's like falling over laden.
There are ornamental varieties known as love lies bleeding.
Yeah. Yeah, they're nice.
Oh yeah.
We used a lot of locally grown field flowers at the flower shop. Not used, used. I have not been there to use them.
And there's what looks like chlorosis.
What's that?
The
Which?
yellowing.
The bright yellowing?
Yeah.
That looks like thistle. See, there's the native thistle.
And I'm wondering
Yellowing.
what's causing that yellowing in the
Yeah.
leaves. Like I said, it looks like chlorosis, but
Okay.
I'm not sure that's actually what it is. Oh, game trail.
Yeah, something's using that, sure. Maybe a little mink, some kind of little weasel, or
Something else right there too.
yeah, something that's going down into the reeds.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all over here. Pretty well trod, you know.
Tons of little trails.
They could be geese too.
That would not surprise me.
Going in to lay their eggs. Each one has their own. You want to switch off the camera for a few minutes? I guess if you can just kind of put it on your hip and loosely, you know,
Yeah.
just kind of pivot it. So it's super bad, yeah.
Besides, it's good practice for me to be on the other side of the camera sometimes.
Yeah, it might be a shoulder. Probably get there and get on the right side anyway. This feels natural because I'm watching it, you know. Truth.
Yeah, there's stuff I'm kind of always inclined to do with my offhand.
I'm really glad with how much I'm gaining back from this end.
Oh yeah.
But it could have been so much worse.
So much worse.
How'd you go on this way? You had it in that way? Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Just
exactly.
clean cut all the fingers and it wouldn't have been enough to... Not clean cut, not posted.
Yeah.
So lucky nobody was in the shower downstairs.
Yo.
Oh, there we go. They look like some muskrat huts. Fish.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, we got pelicans. Mud ducks. I think those black ones are the wheat mud ducks. But it's pretty scene, huh?
Oh yeah.
You'll find a lot of information and pictures, pretty pictures, so I'm told, on my Facebook page as well, EJ's Fishing and Self-Serve Survival.
You can hear one of the pelicans clacking its beak.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, those are, those are white pelicans.
Looks like Canada geese out there with them.
Are there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See, those, they may be dead tufts of Phragmites or cattail. They're too tall.
Yeah.
To be muskrat huts. Muskrat huts are usually around here. Like almost like a nebula.
Something at the edge of the water. You see the Phragmites moving.
So I mean, in the water, like
Oh, right at the edge.
like a fish. I do not see a little bird there.
Yeah.
One of the finches. Yeah, I think this is going to connect to that.
Oh, this looks like
That's rabbit shit.
Yep.
Rabbit
Rabbit
scat.
scat.
Let's keep this
professional.
here.
I'm noticing a lot of it looks like cabbage moth. Little
Yeah.
things.
And 2 feet up for a specimen.
Ah.
Yeah, there's a lot of these little moths. They don't look like cabbage moths. They're gray. But I can't say that for certain. I'm moving too quickly, and so is that. I mean, they may be a small cabbage moth.
Here we go. There it is.
I usually wouldn't suggest this, but there's a pretty well worn path here and around, and all the tape's down. So, let's see. I didn't see any signs saying it was anything nesting season or anything like that. And that guy with the dog has not double back on us. As well as use that for painkiller. That is some kind of... Doesn't have thorns on it, but... I love the beetles. Huh. I don't know what that is.
I'm utterly baffled myself.
I'm surprised that all the foliage has dropped off. Here's some foliage here. That almost looks like lamb quarter. No, that's not.
Yeah,
that's
it's from a different plant.
That's. Yeah, it's not a. It's not any of the the white briar or the sweet briar or anything like that.
Here we go. This has a little bit of foliage left.
Oh yeah. Huh. Yeah, it's got a little yellow or a purple flower. I'll have to look that up.
Yeah. Ow! Damn.
Fly.
Yeah. Really big one. Big rabbit too.
Well, I guess we'll have to go first. They have known this though, if you've seen it.
Yeah.
I can take the camera if you...
Alrighty.
This is the rocky area that it's going to be a bit bumpy through here, bouncy through here. They have mown, which is nice. I'm wondering if this didn't get washed out. I gotta watch about the branches brushing up against my face. Oh god, if I got a saddleback caterpillar, one of the burning, stinging caterpillars. Holy shit. I've got high-powered steroid cream in my bag, prescription strength, and that helped when I got hit with the saddleback. My sister brought it over and considerably dulled the pain, but holy shit, if you've ever had stinging nettle, that by 20, at least 20 times more powerful. It is insane. Sumac.
Staghorn?
Not entirely sure. Certainly not winged sumac.
I think it's either staghorn or fragrant.
Yeah, we will certainly take a look. Pretty good foliage here. It looks like in addition to cutting, they may have applied an herbicide. I can imagine they would though. Maybe it's just the stuff dying back because got all of its golden taken off. This is fox grape. This is young fox grape, but it is fox grape all the same. Hasn't even begun to get its woody bark, all those soft tendrils all over it. Huh. There's a lot of it along here. And this is, I can't remember if it's swamp pea or sweet pea. They do produce pods that produce little peas that are in fact edible. There's a big bumble there.
Ooh, I see some pods.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see a couple too.
It's so little.
They are. And they get it's hot now. They don't even have a ton of little beans. Not the ones I grabbed. The casing was real soft. Bumblebee all over. That looks more like a, no, that's not a cabbage plant. That is a nice.
Oh, sweet chicken.
Oh yeah, here we are. No, like I said, don't get too close to. Oh wow, they are in fact larger than I thought.
Whoop. They're very hard, so I don't think they're ripe yet.
Yeah.
Well, maybe not the hardest. They do squeeze a bit, but you got to press them. Yeah.
Oh, jeez, I'm keeping that. Yeah. All right.
Cool. We'll keep an eye on those.
Yeah. Yeah, try them again shortly, and here we're at, huh? I wouldn't mind trying them. I don't like peas, but I'm willing to try any wild edible so I know I need to use them in these situations.